Okay, let's talk about this one. This is SPX, and it's on its way to the moon. Um, yeah, I would recommend you buy this one right now. Why? 7 days. Let's look at the chart. What's this, the SPX first before we go deep down to the analysis of SPX. According to Copilot is a cryptocurrency that operates on Ethereum and Solana blockchain. It is used for gaming, right? And it's completely leveraging on the power of distributed ledger technology. I don't know that. Anyway, it's designed to provide unbiased public randomness, which is a crucial element in the world of gaming. So this is used in gaming. So gaming is one of the industry that's making a lot of big money. So if it's into big money, we go in there, right? um, so why would we recommend this or buy? Number one, it's always on the top price. Usually it's here. You can usually see that in the top gainers. Yeah. The change we'll see SPX is it's just changed 15% um for the last 24 hours. Okay. What else do we know? Let's go here. SPX 600. Okay. It did change in the last 1 hour with 8% change in one day. It's a 17% change 1 week. That was 26% change. Imagine if you put 1,000 US dollars there, change 26%, you richer by $260. In 1 month, make it did recover and go down, which is it happens usually because people are taking, you know, profit from it. In 1 week, look at the graph. Okay, went up here, it recovers, go down here, and then it recovers, and then go down again, and supposed to be it should be here, right, on this place. That's why it's going up. It will be recovering up to here. In 1 year time, it's amazing 10,444% increase. Like if you put 1,000 pesos, it's now 10,000 pesos. No, it's 100,000 increase in just 1 year time, and it has been dormant until September 17 and started climbing, which is this is the election time in the US, right? August, this period. It's about election time in the US. So this was influenced by the Bitcoin price, and that influence of the election makes it spike. Now, why would we recommend that you buy this? Because it's currently on, it's recovering. I actually bought it here, and it will be recovering up to that in just a matter of weeks. Will it go down? The possible answer is if it hit that one, it will go down because people will be taking profit, and sharks, the big players, will sell that coin and might fall. But that's the risk you have to take. So from here, I would recommend 20% increase. 20% from here. I'll be going to exit, and we'll see again what happens. So yeah, so it's just another coin that you'll be interested in, and maybe you need to trade this because tomorrow is payday, and you have a lot of money. Buy this coin. Okay. Yeah, and don't forget to do your own analysis. I'm just telling you this coin is going to fly to the moon. So we buy it, right? And let's have a drink and have a lot of money. I wish